What do you call an airplane, Karen, getting arrested? A flying complaint denied? All I know is this is gonna be fun.
What's going on, guy? Hello. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. She's in 34 Delta.
Okay. What's the plan?
Acting bizarre. I don't know whether she's taken something that she shouldn't have taken. The gate agent had trouble with her, told her twice at least to put her mask on.
Okay.
When she came on, and she gave her an attitude. And she keeps taking it on and off. And
You guys want her off the plane?
she was spitting at people back there.
Okay. So she definitely want her off the plane,
Yeah,
correct?
34 Delta.
Okay. You're gonna just stay behind me because I need you to ask her to get off the plane because
Okay.
you're the representative of the airline, and then when she refuses, I'll take it from there.
Okay.
All right. 34. Where is that at?
34 DC.
Okay. All right. Okay. Hello.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
I did fix the audio using some equalizer magic, but it was still quite hard to understand what Pamela was going on about. Oh, here's the sit rep. I suspect this particular Karen to be on something. She was also refusing to wear a mask, and she was spitting at people. I'd say that is 3 strikes, you're out of the airplane. So let's see how this grown-up woman is gonna handle this situation.
Yep. You're gonna have to get off the aircraft.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you're out there,
Yep.
and I compliment you in that way.
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off
After
the
they made
aircraft.
us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is. But right now, I'm gonna
And
need you.
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay.
Spiffy! I mean, maybe I underestimated this particular Karen. She seems very cooperative, he says while glancing at the runtime of this video.
So I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just
And
step
I did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually. Disrespect.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab
no,
your bag.
You know that.
Yeah, who didn't see that coming?
You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever going to put your hands on
Grab
me.
your bag.
No, I will grab my bag. But you know, I'm going to sit here and say what I have to say to you.
Listen, no one's gonna put their hands on you unless
all
you
right,
have to.
yeah, you
Grab
won't.
your bag and
yeah,
just step
yeah,
off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No. You
Okay?
need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do. And if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You ready?
So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say.
Russ.
No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not
I'm
stop.
already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the
I'm
aircraft.
probably already gonna get
Do you want to get arrested?
I really
Then stand up
honestly-
and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can
I'm
do
gonna ask
your
you one
do
more
me.
time, and then I'm gonna have to put my
But-
hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not
Let me
listening.
ask you that.
Well, first of all, Karen, no one cares about you. They're already pissed off that you are actually holding up this flight. Second of all, really? For what reason? I know, Cow. She can't be serious. Problem being, I think she is seriously dumb.
You're gonna put no. And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go, Russ. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am.
What am
stand
I
up.
doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me?
Tell
Seriously,
him to
though,
deplane
can you
that.
tell me that?
Tell him to deplane.
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive? Why do you? Seriously, though.
Yep. Get him
Like,
off.
seriously.
There is no human alive that can make you understand the basics. I mean, the very basics of the basics are probably well beyond you.
Why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a
At
person.
this point, here's what's happening. They're gonna deplane the aircraft. I'm gonna take you off the
That was
plane,
already happening. Don't.
and you're going to jail. Just so you
that
know.
was already happening.
It won't happen
Okay.
if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not
I
going
don't
to,
trust
Yep.
that.
Right now, they're gonna deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail. Okay? If you do not get up, that's how it's gonna work.
Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is,
It's
man.
not cool.
Are you
I
gonna-
want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the plane.
Come on.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're gonna.
Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the
gonna? Can I
aircraft.
trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to do.
Do a control situation. If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
We're trying
right? No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain. Tell him we need to remove her.
It really is though. That's my right. It's like you need to. No,
Sit.
we're getting to the point where you're not You're not respecting my human rights as a constitution. That's not cool. I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man, that's not okay, dude.
Hey, Dick Flute, the reason you didn't do anything is the reason you're getting arrested right now. You could have just walked off the plane with the officers, but now that they have to remove you from the plane, you're gonna get arrested. He explained it 4 times to you and you still didn't understand, you entitled little brat. Grow the hell up. I keep wondering why some people look like adults but aren't.
That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 10:15.
Why did you have power? You represent
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're going to be facing handcuffs, okay?
Was that a drug sniffing hound? Are they gonna check her seat for unmentionables? I mean, you gotta be on something to act this way. Or maybe it's ingrained in Karen DNA. Keep in mind, Karen by behavior, not name.
I see your phone.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah,
Dude.
we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you and I was calm. And you honestly
behind your
acknowledged
back.
me for a moment and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that. You didn't have to do that like that. It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up and you are a part of this system. It's fucked up and you don't. You do. You looked at me. I saw you look at me in my eyes. That's not real, man.
Oh dear. Karen, he's not interested in you. This is not a love date. This is a taking your dumbass to jail date.
Just grab her bag.
Real, man.
Is there a bag on
Yeah, she had a green backpack.
It's not real, man.
Was it a little green bag? No, we don't do that around here. Copyright bots and all that jazz.
Why did you look at me like that? I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's go. This way. This way.
Man.
We didn't have time to be
Why
playing.
are you doing that? See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up.
Stop.
No. Why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them?
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance.
I
You
asked
didn't even
you-
give me
I
a
asked
chance. I
you-
looked at you in your eyes
asked you
and
10
I
times.
knew you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit a bullshitter. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt.
Oh there, who would have thought that it was a really bad location to actually record audio next to a bloody jet engine? Also, I do believe the official term is horseshit.
I asked you 5
You're
times
better
to
than
get off
that,
that plane.
dude. You're
I asked
better
you
than that.
5
I
times.
saw you outside before I even came in with your mask off. No, you're better than that. That's not cool.
Put it in.
That's not cool, dude. It's really not. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is not okay.
Cut it off.
No, that's not okay. You're gonna fucking arrest me for what? What are you arresting me for?
Interference with flight operations and trespass after running. That's what you're getting arrested for. Okay?
I'm so furious right now.
Yes, we are.
You want to take it to the other side?
We're just gonna pat her
I
down
have
real
a
quick.
fucking cat, and dude, like, what? Alright, do me a
He's
favor,
gonna pat
widen
you
your
down.
stance for me, please, alright? What? I didn't
seat. Watch your head. All right.
Hello?
Yeah, one female.
10-4.
Well, I don't want to be a spoil sport, but that is rather understating the situation. One, Karen, do you have a code for that as well, police officer? Holy hell, man. Everything that just happened after she got up and, you know, refused to still leave the airplane could have been avoided by her just walking off the airplane instead of resisting. Crying. Ain't gonna do you any good, though.
I literally did nothing. I have no fucking. You have no right. Like, can you tell me what I'm being charged for? Actually, can you tell me that?
I already told you, ma'am. Interference with flight crew operations and trespassing after warning for refusing to get off the aircraft after the representative told you to.
As soon as I got up, that's exactly what.
All right, you gonna behave in here? Yeah, it's been a lot of talk. I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's gonna act now, but she's been chirping the whole time, so we'll see how it goes. All right, you ready to step out? Are you gonna comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. Not with you, because you're a liar.
Okay.
You know, you'd reckon that at some point she's gonna come to the conclusion that she is under arrest and there's no way out of this arrest. I guess she still wants to talk to the manager. Guess what? He's standing right in front of you.
No, he said literally the reason he has me arrested right now is fucking wise. You looked at me in my eyeballs. I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You didn't have masks on. No, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say?
I don't know, Karen. Have you ever heard of you have the right to remain silent? Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Also, guess what? Outside of the plane, you do not have to wear a mask. You have to wear a mask inside the plane. This is not helping your case. Stop talking. Or in other words, shut up, Karen.
And then I can say what I have to say, and then that's... I will do what y'all want me to do because I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's... I don't get... It doesn't matter about that. What matters is that you've been an unjust officer that's abusing his power, and you need to know that, Timothy. Hey. Can I stop you? My mother's a social worker, and you're about to, like, really... Because you made eye contact with me before I ever got on that plane. You acknowledged the fact that you weren't wearing a mask. And then you got on the plane, and then you made eye contact with me, and then you manipulated the situation. No, that's what happened. Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So,
Hey, Karen, there's like a little blinking light on Timothy's chest. It's called a camera. Cameras don't lie, and it's not in your favor at all. This is one hell of a ramble, lass, isn't she?
I know the...
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Anybody?
No? Yeah? We're just gonna take her.
No, I'm not complaining, you guys. Y'all just... you think he's cute? Oh, yeah, I thought he was cute, too.
Really? I couldn't tell. Maybe he needs to gaze into your eyes some more. Damn it, Timothy. You're giving off mixed signals here. I bet you're a riot with all the Karens in town, huh? Run, Timothy. Run like the wind. Also, I'm pretty sure no one actually said he is cute. There's something really strange going on in that mind of yours. I guess we can call it dipshittery of the style Karenism.
I thought he was cute, too. I looked in his eyeballs, and I thought he looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hey, what's going on? And this is an
interference with flight operations.
Seriously, please just get somebody
Her name is
Listen to you. What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I don't want to tell you anything after you, so I want to say that I am being arrested for things that are unjust. I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking.
Florida, huh? Guess there's a meme in there somewhere.
My mind. I should not be arrested right now, man.
But right now, we have to follow procedures, and we'll get to the bottom of what's happening.
You're not following my right? These are my constitutional procedures, okay? But I need to follow your procedures, right?
Step out. Take your leg out.
Okay. Can I have your name, please, first? Can we just adopt something that makes me want to be safe? Why can I not be safe?
Hey,
Why is this lifeless? This is not my human right. Stop. I would relax if you would let Right. Okay, yeah, exactly. Okay, so. Even right. Your officer Timothy totally is power. And I didn't do anything.
Well, time for paperwork. Good luck on that, Timothy. And here's a pro tip. Stop gazing into the eyes of Karens. Holy hell, man, that was some babbling on some other level, wasn't it? Imagine after being arrested, you think you're still in control. I hope those other people on the plane actually made their, connection flight, if there is one. Man babies and woman babies. This is why we can't have nice things, people. And on that rather daunting note that the human race is immaturing at an alarming rate. Remember to tickle the bell and all buttons around it. Have a look at Ragical when I do stuff over there. And I may have to speak to your manager if you do not subscribe right now. Bye-bye. So there's around 200 people on the plane, and they all have to wait for the shenanigans of a Karen. The audacity